Okay, so this is the first product that I have. This is a shower curtain from Amazon. Shower rod, sorry. So let's unbox this. So it was packed very nicely. This is the user manual, I suppose. Let's remove this from the box. This is the rod. So this is the rod. It's quite a big rod, okay, and as far as I've seen, this is how we connect it. We have to untwist this from here, and it increases the length of this rod. It goes up to 9 feet, okay, and whenever we are, the width of the wall that we have to connect this to, we have to push it back. How does this go back? Let me figure that out. See, the length is increasing. So it's a big rod. I'll show you how to. Okay, it twists in back like this. If I hold it here, it goes in automatically. That's nice. So let me connect it in the bathroom and then I'll show you. Wait, before that, let me show the curtain. I'll keep the rod here. Okay. This is the curtain. It is also from Amazon. It's Amazon Basics. It has already come with this loop so that we have to put it in the rod. Let's open this. Alright, so it's a plastic feeling. The curtain is kind of plastic. It makes sense, it has to be in the water. Okay, so these are the loops that will connect here, and then I'll put the rod in the bath. Then I'll put the rod in the bath, take you back there and show you how it looks. Now we've nicely connected the rod and the curtain for the bathroom. And let me show you how it looks. Yep. Looks good. So this is the box. Let's open it now. There's a lot of thermocol. Let's open this first thing. I suppose it's a ceiling plate. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, this is the thing that goes in the ceiling. This is a plate. This is a glass bulb holder. It's supposed to go like this. There's some cable and the holder, the bulb holder. This is the cover in which this glass goes. This is how it's going to look. So let's open all three.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because...
Let's open this holders. These are the holders that's supposed to go here. And we have 3 LED bulbs like this. This bulb seems to be broken. Let's see if we can fix it. Okay, it's done. We have 3 bulbs, 3 holders and 3 power cables along with the bulb holder. So let's connect it. Okay, connect everything. See, all 3 are connected. I think I've put this holder upside down. It needs to be like this, so I'll have to do that again. I do that and then we'll start to connect it on the wall. Okay, so I've connected it back again. Okay, and this is how it looks. So I had to remove the cover, put the wooden cover in, then put the glass cover and then connect it. I've connected everything on this thing that goes on top. Okay, all the 3 wires are stripped. This is what will go here. Okay, that is from here, and these 4 screws will be connected on the ceiling. Okay, so let's now get onto the ceiling, and before that I'll just show you how it looks. This is how it will look on the ceiling. Okay, let's connect it now. Okay, so that is now connected and this is how it looks. For some reason one of the bulb is not working because when I opened it there was a wire broken in it, so I'll have to replace that, but otherwise it's looking good. Yeah, okay guys, so I fixed the bulb that was not working yesterday. I didn't need to replace it since I used the soldering iron to fix it, and now all the 3 bulbs are working and it's looking pretty good. Okay, so this is the box that I've got. Now let's open the box and see what are the contents. You can see that we have 6 lights. Let's open one of them. Oh, they're packed together. This is the light, LED panel lights, super bright, 80% energy saving. Okay. I'll keep the other 5 aside for now. Okay, so this is the light. Now what does it say? So as you can see, it is 18 watts. Okay, and the color is not ticked. You can see it here. Okay, let's open this. This is the thing that goes on the ceiling on which this light will be connected. There are some screws. This is the actual light. This is an LED driver on which it is connected. I think it disconnects here like this. Okay, this is the actual light. Okay, it's nice. It has a texture kind of. It's not smooth, it's matte finish, and yeah, well, it has a rated voltage 175 265. Okay, so this is how it gets connected. These 2 holes goes in the ceiling, and 1 screw here and here, 1 screw here and here. And then this will not be visible, it will be connected like this. So it's looking nice. Now let's connect it and I'll show you how it looks after the connection. Okay, so now what I've done is I've taken this LED driver, okay, and I've made a temporary connection to check if all the LED drivers are working. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see if the LED driver and the LED light is working. So that's the connection, and now let's just see if we connect the light to the LED driver, if it's working or not. Okay, so I'll just connect it there. Okay, so now let's just connect this to this. Yep, it's a very bright light, we can see. Quite a nice light. Okay, now let's just check all the lights and then start connecting it on the ceiling, and I'll show you how it looks after the connection. Okay, so I have all these 5 lights working. Now let me just connect the lights on the ceiling and I'll show you. I'll also show you where I'm going to connect it, so just hold on a minute. Okay, so I'm going to connect it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so in this video now you can see that I've connected this one light and another light here. It's looking nice. It's giving a bright enough light, and the look is also very good.